Welcome to this presentation on PCLive pipeline restoration of application containers for reduced service downtime. This research was conducted by Shiv Bhushan Tripathi et al. And published in 2024. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. In today's digital world, applications run inside something called containers. Think of containers as lightweight, self-contained packages for software. These containers are incredibly useful in cloud computing, allowing us to run applications more efficiently. Key benefit of using containers is the ability to move them between different computer systems, a process known as migration. This migration is crucial for managing cloud resources effectively. Current methods for migrating containers, like the pre-copy strategy that uses checkpoint and restore techniques, such as SARAL, often lead to longer downtimes than expected. This is particularly true for containers that handle a lot of data in their memory. The existing approach has limitations in how it restores the container, causing delays. To overcome this challenge, this research proposes a new solution called a pipeline restore mechanism. The effectiveness of the new pipeline restore mechanism was put to the test. When compared to the standard crew pre-copy migration method, the results were striking. For migrating a container running the Redis key value store, a common application for storing and retrieving data, restoration time was reduced by an impressive factor of up to 38.8 times. The significant improvements observed highlight a critical bottleneck in existing container migration strategies, especially when dealing with memory-intensive applications. Pipeline restore mechanism effectively addresses this by optimizing the transfer and reconstruction of the container estate. This means that applications can become available to users much faster after migration, leading to a smoother user experience. In summary, this research has identified a key limitation in current container migration techniques that can lead to extended service downtimes, particularly for applications with large memory footprints. Proposed pipeline restore mechanism offers a novel and effective solution to this problem. By streamlining the restoration process, this new method significantly reduces the time applications are unavailable during migration.